So I've washed the bhindi. Now it's ready to start chopping. Make sure you pat it dry because when you fry it, it can go a little slimy. So the first thing we do with bhindi is chop all of these tops and the tails. So we take all the tops and tails off and then slice it in half like that. So that's how it looks. So I'll continue to cut. So I've cut all the okra in 2 halves like this. So now we're ready to start cooking. So 2 tablespoons of oil. This is mustard and coriander seeds. So we're going to wait until they pop. So now add in the fenugreek seeds, cumin seeds, and some dried chilies. Now add in the okra. Just saute this for a few minutes. Put the gas really low. You're going to add in the spices. Sprinkle chili powder, coriander and turmeric powder. So we've covered all the spices on the okra. And at this point, we can just put a lid and let it simmer in its own heat. Sprinkle some salt. And just stir it in. Now put the lid back on. Now sprinkle the besan powder evenly. So we'll put the lid back on and we'll turn the gas off so that it can cook in its own heat. So now it's ready and we can now serve this. The aroma is absolutely gorgeous. So we finally got our okra all cooked. It's got the besan, which has made it a little crispy, which is nice. So I'm just going to try one. I can just taste the besan in it, and it just has that spiciness, and it has a little crisp to it. Really nice. It's actually quite nice even for a dip. So if you had that chutney that I made in my previous video, coriander chutney, then you could just dip it in there. So have it like finger food really, or have it as a vegetable with rice. I suppose I better finish. Enjoy this and watch my next video. Like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.